Hi, I am Jack Huang. I am the director of Lucky58 Plumbing Mechanical.
Our company was established in 2009. We specialize in medium to large-scale plumbing and mechanical contracting projects such as high-rise, low-rise apartments, townhouses.
Hi there, my name is Zachary. At Lucky58, we embrace a problem-solving mindset. On our job site, it's not only about getting a job done, it's also about the ability to cooperate with other trades to ensure a successful and quality project.
On every construction site, it's not just about doing your things right, it is all about teamwork with every other professionals.
Lucky58 has been a reliable partner on site, always punctual and highly focused on safety, which is something we appreciate. Our collaboration has been smooth. They're true doers focusing on getting the job done.
Working with us is like having a reliable friend in the business. Our team is committed to not just meeting your expectations, but beyond.
Contact us now for a free quote. Let's build something great together.